Welcome back to Super Innings. I must say, a disappointed bunch of heroes will be making their way back to India. 2 games done, not yet registered a win. On the other hand, the Telugu Warriors have fought hard, fought well, and have one win under their belt. And here's a look at what the match looked like.
Well, as you can see, Mumbai Heroes ने पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए 127 रन बनाए थैंक्स टू अपूर्व लाखिया मैन। नहीं तो ये गेम 60, 70, 80 रन पे खत्म हो जाता, जिसके जवाब में 130 रन 18 ओवर में बड़ी आसानी से बना लिए गए। वेल प्लेड आदर्श।
Is that your reaction?
नहीं, मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा मेरे को सलमान भाई दुखी अच्छे नहीं लगते।
सलमान भाई 2 बार दुखी दिख चुके हैं इस टूर्नामेंट में। आशा करते हैं कि तीसरी और चौथी बार उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कान होगी and he'll be happy. But a good win for the Telugu Warriors. They fought hard like warriors today. A very consistent, very good performance all round. First innings as well as the second.
मंदरा, इनफैक्ट पिछले मैच के अंदर केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के खिलाफ आखिरी बॉल पर they lost the match. मतलब हाथ से स्लिप कर गया, or else they could have easily been the winners. But well deserved. But Mumbai Heroes did their job. मतलब as far as fielding is concerned, they were brilliant on the field. और आखिरी के अंदर उन्हें मालूम था कि वो हार रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद they kept on it.
Well, the Telugu Warriors, their chase, they say slow and steady wins the race. It's not a big total, so make it an easy chase. Here are the Super Fours package of this innings.
अब आफ्ताब लॉन्ग ऑफ पर हैं। ओह, मिड विकेट के ऊपर बॉबी। ओह, इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के काफी जरूरत से ज्यादा। ओह, लवली शॉट ओवर मिड ऑन और एक और चौका।
गंदी गेंदबाजी, गंदी बात, गंदी।
She also co-owner of the Telugu Warriors. बढ़िया निकाला। ओह, अच्छी।
अभी 2 विकेट जा चुके हैं इनके जी। देखते हैं कि ये लोग गया, एक और गया।
Oh, what a shot, Sachin Joshi.
किन्हीं को फिक्स चबाओ और अपनी उम्र बढ़ाओ, तो बस इसी का मैं प्रचार प्रसार कर रहा हूँ जोरों से। मैं अपने दर्शकों को बता,
यहाँ से देखा जा सकता है। There's the beautiful Archana. Oh, you.
Straight.
Now, the Mumbai Heroes were very good on the field, very sprightly, very energetic. They tried their best to take those wickets, but it was only Shabir Ahluwalia and Bobby Deol that got lucky. And here's a look at the wickets package. मंत्रा, धर्म पाजी बॉबी देओल को बार बार कहते रहे कि छक्का मारो, hit a 6. He says, but I'm a bowler. So then he says, अच्छा तो 6 विकेट कम से कम लेके आओ. Now those 6 wickets would have helped today. They really tried their best. The Mumbai Heroes. It was an okay total, a sort of competitive total, but I mean 150, 140 would have been more.
Well, like I said, Mandra, thanks to Apurva Lakhia कि कम से कम उन्हें एक respectable total तो मिल गया, वरना I think this match would have been over 1 hour back.
Were you paying attention at the pitch report? What is a pass score or a good score or a fighting total on a pitch like this? We have a very exciting game coming up as well.
Exactly. Just the way Charu mentioned that इस wicket पर spinners को बिल्कुल भी support नहीं मिलने वाला. But what I really noticed was Varun Badola, while he was bowling the 16th, 17th over, उस टाइम पर भी बॉल को आखिरी में स्विंग मिल रही थी. I mean, this is a beautiful ground and it's शाम होने वाली है. अभी मतलब मेरे ख्याल से शाम हो ही चुकी है. हमारे इस वक्त 5:30 का वक्त हो रहा है दुबई में. And if this happens, if this continues, then Veer Marathas have some great bowlers with them. So iska it's matlab they can use this to their benefit. But all said and done, I don't think 120, 130 was a
But let's not go. Yeah, let's come back to the match on hand. I mean, we were talking about Venkatesh. We were talking about, but it was Akhil, it was Adarsh, and it was सचिन जोशी ने काफी जोश दिखाया.
वो तो बाबूजी लग रहे थे, चश्मा पहन के उन्होंने बोला मैं धीरे खेलूंगा, मैं केवल नज करने वाला हूं, मैं बड़े शॉट्स नहीं खेलूंगा. बट द मोमेंट ही ट्राइड, शब्बीर picked up that wicket. In fact, out of the entire wickets, शब्बीर का वो wicket was a proper bowler's wicket, just little short, taking a hike and straight off to the wicket keeper. I think that was cute.
But the road ahead for now the Mumbai Heroes looks kind of villainous and scary and treacherous, because two games down and 2 losses. They've got to win everything to sort of even think about being anywhere in the reckoning anymore. Right?
Absolutely not with this kind of batting, not at all. मतलब बैलते कहते हैं ना गुरु, अगर इस किस्म से चलती रहेगी बल्लेबाजी, जब मियां बीवी राजी तो क्या करेगा काशी. ठोको ताली में,
ठोको ताली, ठोको ताली.
सिद्धू जी मैं आपको बड़ा मिस करता हूं सर, आप जहां कहीं भी हो.
ताली की बात हो रही है तो it's been quite a turnout. I mean, earlier part of the afternoon it looked like the stadium was going to be, is it going to ever fill up or what's going to happen? पर काफी लोग आ गए हैं, मौसम बहुत अच्छा है, ठंड लगी हुई है, अच्छा लग रहा है. It's a nice
Absolutely. I'm going to miss you, Mandira. अगर प्लीज बस छोड़ के मत जाइए. You looking so beautiful. इतनी अच्छी साड़ी पहनी. मैं कितने सारी लड़कियों को जानता हूँ, they love to wear something like what you've been wearing. Give them some suggestion, please.
Would you like to wear a sari the next time we meet?
No, I would never be sorry about it. But hey, but this is beautiful. Mandira, if all said and done, this evening turns out to be any more pretty, I'd like you to stay.
Oh, thank you very much. I'd love to stay. In fact, I'm going to enjoy the weather, not enjoy air conditioning. I want to go outside, enjoy the actual, the Dubai weather.
Absolutely, absolutely. And of course, दुबई में हिंदुस्तानी, पाकिस्तानी और मतलब एशिया से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो यहाँ रहते हैं, उनको अपने फेवरेट स्टार्स को देखना है. And as we all know, cricket और फिल्में, यानी cricket और
Cricket
cinema.
and Bollywood is, like a religion in India. It's a religion here in Dubai as well, isn't it?
Yeah, and at this point in
Greatest
time, there's
passion.
more than Bollywood. There's Bollywood, there's Tollywood, there's the entire South film
And there's
industry.
also Chollywood. We'll call him Charu Sharma. He's standing by. He's standing by for the presentation ceremony.
Thanks so much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today. Your presence meant a lot to us. All of us at the Celebrity Cricket League Season 4 do appreciate your presence here today. So thank you. At the end of a match which may not have reached a high, but it was terrific to see Sinha stars from around India compete and show terrific commitment on the field. Even the side that went down today showed fabulous commitment in the field. In the presentation ceremony, a quick introduction to our guests here. To begin with, we are delighted to have the presence of Salman Khan. Salman, thank you very much for being here today and for taking this league along. We also have the owner of the Mumbai Heroes with us, right behind me, Sohail. Thank you very much. Hard luck today. Your desert story comes to an end, but of course, the other team played very well today. We're also very pleased to have Mr. Praveen Kulkarni from Parley, Mr. Sudhir Asija from Carbon Mobiles, the chairman. Thank you, Sudhir. Mr. Parvez Khan, from chairman of Pacific Ventures. Saif and Sara Belhassa Driving Center. Thank you for your presence and your support. Sohail Galadhari from the Khaleej Times, the director. Thank you. Sanobar Beg from Pride India Builders. And of course, to the far left, we do have our brand ambassador of Goa Ecofix, Yamraj, as well. And not the least, Yogesh Lakhani, chief of Bright Outdoor Media. Yogesh, looking very good. All right, we have now a few awards to give away. For the first one, can I please request Sudhir Asija to step forward with your device? It's to be given for the Carbon Kamal catch of the day. There were many contenders, but none better than the catch taken diving forward at backward point by the little man with a big heart, Sachin Joshi. Whoa, well done. You can limp forward, but take your wonderful prize for the day. Fantastic catch. Well done. We also have a Parley 2020 Power Player of the Match Award to be given away by Praveen Kulkarni. If you'll step forward, please, Praveen. If you'll step forward for giving the award away. There it is. If you can hold that, please. And for our Power Player of the Match, the Parley 2020 Power Player, no contest for this one. Some massive sixes in this ground scene today. Apurva Lakhia from Mumbai Heroes. Well played. Sadly, it wasn't to be enough, but well played, Apurva. Enjoyed the big shots. Okay, as you take your photo, we'll get on to our next award. The Best Bowler Award Can I please request Mr. Sohail Galadhari to step forward? Sohail, thank you very much. We'll have the award in your hands in a second. I suppose this was once again very hotly contested, but we'll give it to that man who can do no wrong from Telugu Warriors, Nand Kishore. Congratulations. Well done. There's two more awards to be given away. The most efficient player award. Mr. Saif Belhassa, if you'll step forward, please, to give this most efficient player award. And why not Sarah as well? Thank you for doing this for us. For keeping wickets, for bowling well, and of course for finishing the match. That is the key for the Telugu Warriors. Adarsh, the most efficient player of the day. Congratulations. And that leaves us with only one final award, and then of course a quick conversation with the two captains as well as Salman. Our final award of the first match of the evening. Can I please request Mr. Parvez Khan to step forward to give it away? Thank you. The man of the match. The man who created all the havoc at the top from the Telugu Warriors, Raghu. Congratulations. Fantastic bowling performance at the top. It made all the difference. Thank you, Parvez. Can I please invite Sunil Shetty and Venkatesh, if you'll step forward, please. Can we have a quick chat, with the two captains? Come on over. Thank you. Sunil, you first. You had a dream run in the desert so far, winning 2 and tying 1. Today, that story sadly comes to an end.
Yeah, when you're 5 or 6 down in the first 6 overs, what do you expect?
Not much.
Not much. But I think, Apu helped us. We pulled back, and we made a fight out of it. So I'm happy at least we managed to do that.
Without question, that Apu knock, fabulous. I mean, Apu the elephant.
Absolutely. Hits, it stays hit.
Okay, also the fielding effort today, I must say. You took a couple of catches. It was a lot better than the past. The kind of commitment you showed to protect just 128, very pleasing to see.
Yeah, I guess Apu's knock gave us the upper hand there, and we were on a high, so we managed to field and hold our own. All in all, not a bad match for us, though we started really, really badly.
You personally may not want to remember your knock of today, you think?
No, I don't want to. Actually, I wasn't even prepared. Suddenly, wickets started tumbling. I don't even know whether I wore my gear right, but Raghu bowled brilliantly, so you can't take that away from him, and had no clue where the ball was.
And the rest of the bowlers as well. Venkatesh, please step on up. Congratulations. The last match didn't quite go... Sunil, don't go too far. The last match didn't quite go your way, but today the Telugu Warriors were up and about.
Yeah, we're really happy. We had a fantastic start, and I have to congratulate Raghu for getting some fantastic wickets in the beginning, and so they had an early collapse, but we should congratulate them. They came back fantastic, and Apu really smashed our bowlers, so we have to give a lot of credit to Mumbai for giving a real fight.
Your bowlers have always delivered. The batting has been suspect at times, but the inclusion of Akhil seems to be making a very big difference.
Oh, there's no doubt we have an all-round balanced team, and I just keep telling them to play one game at a time. And today was a very crucial match, so they were all focused, and I'm glad everybody delivered really well.
The only thing that Sunil was saying was a little unfair about the match today is that we didn't get to see you batting.
Oh, maybe next time. We've got better batsmen out there, so let them bat.
Yeah. But about support, of course, your dugout was fantastic, but there was a lot of competition from Mumbai as well. Terrific support for both the teams here in Dubai.
Oh, well, there are fantastic fans out here, and everybody in the dugout were really good. So I'm really glad we had a fantastic game, and when we play with Mumbai, it's just like playing with my own brothers. So I had a fantastic game.
Yeah, well, one brother sadly lost today, so I'm going to go back to you, brother. The support today, fantastic here in Dubai once again.
Absolutely. Every time we've come here, we've played a brilliant game because of the support. I guess that's one of the main reasons that we managed to score the runs eventually that we did score. At one time, we were looking at probably 50-55 and winding up. But then the tide turned and we fought back.
Yeah, you took a few wickets, so congratulations to you both. Before we end the presentation though, Salman, can I invite you for one more chat, please? Sorry about this. Jab bhi aap aate ho, thoda 2-4 shabd bol hi lete hain, but everybody here in Dubai enjoyed your presence here today. Team haar gayi, koi baat nahi, lekin league aage badh gayi.
शुक्रिया. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमने कोशिश बहुत की लेकिन हारना था तो हार गए। अगली बार कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं भी थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करके इस टूर्नामेंट में खेलूँ यहाँ पर।
अरे मेरा अगला सवाल का आपने जवाब ही दे दिया। मैंने कहा भाई आप कब खेलेंगे, तो अगले साल उम्मीद या इस साल भी 2-4 मैच हैं?
पिछले साल मैंने अगले साल कहा था, लेकिन वो नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि जय हो में बिज़ी हो गया था। अब मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री हूँ, किक के बाद थोड़ा सा वक्त मिलेगा मुझे, तो मैं प्रैक्टिस करके ज़रूर खेलने की कोशिश करूँगा।
अच्छा, वॉच आउट फॉर दोज इंजरीज, हाँ, बिकॉज कमिटमेंट इतनी ज़्यादा है कि जब देखो तब कोई ना कोई गिरता पड़ता कुछ ना कुछ। लेकिन आई होप योर टीम इज़ ओके।
इंजरीज़ के तो आदी हो गए हम सब, तो इंजरीज़ का इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता।
यहाँ दुबई में माहौल के बारे में बस 2-4 शब्द।
दुबई से अच्छा माहौल मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कहीं पर है। आई थिंक दुबई इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है, लोग खूबसूरत हैं, मेरी सबसे फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन है। ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया की, जैसे सोहेल ने कहा पिछली बार, कि इंडिया का सबसे जो प्यारा सिटी है वो दुबई है।
क्या बात है। I'm sure everybody here will be delighted to hear that. Salman, thank you so much for joining us. Venki, congratulations. And of course, Anna, hard luck for the day. That's all we have in the presentation ceremony for the first match. But remember, another match coming your way. Stick around.
As Salman Khan very rightly said, Dubai is the best place in India to live. I love that statement. पर आपने सुना सलमान खान क्या कह रहे थे? उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा और मुझे भी अगले मैच के लिए खेलना पड़ेगा।
आपने सुना चारू जी ने क्या कहा? चारू जी ने कहा कि भाई बड़ी सारी इंजरीज होती हैं, एक बार कमिटमेंट बोल दिया तो करना पड़ेगा। तो सलमान को क्या बोलना चाहिए?
क्या बोलना चाहिए था? एक
बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो चारू मैं तुम्हारी भी नहीं सुनता।
वैसे कमिटमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम भी आपको बता दें कि हमारी कमिटमेंट है कि हम आपको आज का दूसरा मैच दिखाएं, विच इज बिटवीन वीर मराठी एंड द केरला स्ट्राइकर्स। तो वो मैच आने वाला है इस ब्रेक के बाद, तो आप लोग कहीं मत जाइएगा क्योंकि वो मैच भी बहुत ही बढ़िया होने वाला है।